Bitcoin's price is something everyone's talking about right now, but what's the next big move for BTC? Are we heading to the moon or facing a crash? Stick around as we dive deep into the price of Bitcoin and what could happen next in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that has been on everyone's mind, Bitcoin. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just getting started, the price of Bitcoin affects us all. We've seen huge highs and devastating lows, but where is it going next? In this video, we'll break down the factors influencing Bitcoin's price and give you an idea of what could happen next in 2025. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at where Bitcoin is right now. As of today, Bitcoin is trading at around insert current price. We've seen it skyrocket to over $60,000 before, and then drop to below $20,000. So, where are we now? And how did we get here? In the past year, Bitcoin's price has been influenced by a number of factors: global economic changes, market sentiment, and, of course, regulations. The adoption of Bitcoin by large corporations and institutional investors has been a key driver. But there's also been pushback in the form of government regulations. All of these things play a major role in determining Bitcoin's price. Now let's talk about the main factors that are affecting Bitcoin's price right now and how they might shape the future. Market demand. Bitcoin's price largely depends on supply and demand. As more people buy Bitcoin, the price goes up, but when interest wanes, it can drop. We've seen a lot of big companies jumping into the Bitcoin game, but there's also the risk of people pulling out during periods of uncertainty. Regulations. Governments around the world are figuring out how to regulate Bitcoin. Some countries, like El Salvador, have fully embraced it, while others are more cautious or have outright banned it. New regulations, both positive and negative, could cause Bitcoin's price to fluctuate. Halving events. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving event, reducing the supply of new coins that enter circulation. Historically, Bitcoin's price has tended to rise after these events, as the reduced supply increases demand. Institutional involvement. We've seen a huge increase in institutional investors buying Bitcoin. Big names like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even PayPal have invested heavily in Bitcoin. This could be a sign that Bitcoin is becoming more accepted as a store of value, similar to gold.